Hi everyone, welcome to BrownWhitePages. Today I want to teach you how to create the Google Webmaster tool. The Google Search Console is also known as the Google Webmaster tool. So it's either you call it the Google Webmaster tools or the Google Search Console. As you can see, we are seeing Search Console tools. So basically, this is for reports and it helps you to measure your website search engine traffic's performance, fix issue, and make your website shine in search engine. Basically, it is to help you optimize your website for relevant traffic from search engine. So if you want to do this, you click on start. Now you need to have a Gmail for this. You need to have a Gmail for this. This is free, and I recommend this for content marketers that are into blogging, creating articles and posts, and also for Twitter marketers, basically. So how do you create an account? Basically, it is because I have an account before. That is why you're seeing this. Let me try to delete this from here. Let me try to delete it. I think it's possible for me to delete it. Then I'll try creating uh, remove property. This is how to remove property from Google Search Console. So I'm removing this property. I've deleted the property and this is how you create an account. Yeah. Basically, if you are new to Google Analytics, because you need to have a Google Analytics account before you create a Webmaster account. That's if you want to use the analytics to verify it. But if you don't want to use the analytics to verify it, no need for that. You go through the normal process. But I still believe that the analytics is the fastest, only because for the analytics you have to do it alone without the web developer, so it makes it faster. So let's go. I will use this to create the account URL prefix. So I have to go copy the website address. Let's go to the home. This is the home of the website and this is the address. Copy the address. I'll go back. It might not work because I've not started getting the data. You click on checking verification. Ownership auto verify. So basically I'm verified. Normally if you've not started getting data here, you might not be verified. I think this is because this I'm using site.google.com. That is why it was easier for me to verify. So this is how you verify ownership verified. I think that's why I said this is the easiest. To stay verified, don't remove the tag and whatever. So let's go to property, go to properties. This is how you create a Google Analytics account. This is my property. This is the dashboard. This is the website address. This is where you get the performance indexing. We have to wait again for 48 hours before we might start seeing data. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and make the world a better place for everyone. Bye.